I want to feel free again. I miss my old routine. I miss my school, my college, my office, my colleagues, my friends, my teachers, my students, my playground, etc., etc. Well, this is the most painful sound through all over the world during the lockdown session in the coronavirus pandemic situation. Hello and namaste, the respected judges and everyone. Myself Deepika Das from Purbo Mednipur under Holdia block. Today I will discuss about my opinion on the elocution competition based on the topic challenges facing by the youths during the COVID-19 pandemic situation and how they are addressing the same on the eve of International Youth Day on 12th August. Well, youth means the people from the age of 14 to 30 or 35 as well. The year 2020 is a year of global coronavirus pandemic situation, and the COVID-19 disease has yet no treatment, no particular vaccine. Though, so the only remedy for this situation is to strictly maintain some basic precautions, social distancing, isolation, and nationwide lockdown for an indefinite time period. Though the decision of lockdown is for the welfare of the nation, but it has put a huge impact to the education sector as well as to the life of youths as well. Today I will discuss about the challenges facing by the youths and the possible solutions of this all problems. Now, according to UNESCO, there are more than 32 crore students in India, and huge amount of students from this is belongs to secondary level to school, college and university level. The secondary level students who has passed their 10th level examination, they don't know when their class 11 session will start it. The 12 students, they don't know when their college session will start it. The various competitive exams after 12 like medical, GMain, architecture, nursery, nursing, etc. has been postponed for uncertain time. That is very pathetic for them. And definitely the college and university students also have a bigger issue to deal with. They really don't know whether the final examination will held or not. They don't know how their upgradation process will be taken, and this everything has gone through helter and skelter this year. And next, another problems faced by job aspirants. Then the job aspirants, students who are preparing for their government competitive exams, their exam date, result, interview, placement, everything has been postponed, and that is why they are getting depressed as well. And next problem facing by the youths is job cutting, salary cutting in private sectors. That is very unexpected and painful for them. And mainly the youth migrant workers are also facing the same problem. So to deal with the problems, institutions has been started online classes, but this entirely depends on the infrastructure of school. And the drawback of this online class is internet disconnecting issues. And the second one is for the poor students who can't afford a smartphone or computer or laptop. They are facing so many problems. They are getting through depressions, and somewhere they are committing suicide also. But every problem there is a solution. The government has started so many educational programs to Doordarshan in the TV, that is affordable. There is no internet connecting issue as well. And the private sectors has started work from home, that is very helpful for the workers as well. And definitely to go through this depression, the youths must follow, must spread awareness about COVID-19, about stigma. They should plant a tree, etc., etc. And definitely the day is not so far when we will conquer over this coronavirus pandemic situation. Swamiji said that believe in yourself, the world will be in your feet. Definitely youths, you have the potential to conquer all the challenges. So arise, awake and stop not till the goal is reached. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you so much.